Connecting multi-domain battlefields in 1 second. Introducing the Beecheon Joint Tactical Network Solution, the master hub unifying land, sea, air, space, and cyber. Frequencies and brands have built a silent wall, fracturing the tactical network. Army VHF, Navy HF, and Air Force Airband physically cannot communicate, forcing command centers to manually patch signals. This creates a critical 1-minute delay that acts as a fatal failure point in joint operations like close air support. The Beecheon HQI gateway eliminates the middleman with a 1-second direct relay. By plugging disparate military radios directly into our multi-channel gateway, a ground troops push-to-talk signal is relayed to a pilot's helmet and a ship's bridge in less than 1 second, entirely bypassing complex manual relays. Shatter the brand barrier and completely unify global standard radios. There is no need to replace ultra-expensive specialty radios. The moment you plug different manufacturers and standards into a single audio port, a flawless joint network is born. Extend your operations beyond the terrestrial to achieve zero dead zones. By linking satellite radios like Iridium to the Beecheon gateway, ground troops in rugged mountain ranges or open oceans maintain unbroken, real-time communication with command centers on the other side of the globe. Fuse past and future by bridging legacy RF with next-generation MCPTT. We resolve the military's network generation dilemma by seamlessly linking soldiers using legacy analog or digital radios with commanders deploying the newest smart terminal devices, entirely eliminating voice gaps during the transition. Ensure command resilience through a decentralized joint network. Even if the main command center is neutralized, as long as a Beecheon gateway in a tactical vehicle or flagship remains active, field commanders retain direct control over land, sea, and air assets. Achieve stateless security and 100% coexistence with military encryption. Beecheon does not decrypt, interfere with, or store sensitive communications. Because our architecture holds zero operational data, the security risk in the event of equipment capture is absolute zero. Execute flawless after-action reviews with push-to-talk level precision recording. Perfectly reconstruct the timeline of complex joint operations with a dashboard that visually logs the transmitting radio brand, operational domain, and second-by-second timestamps for total forensic accountability. Prevent astronomical waste and maximize existing asset ROI. The plan to unify the entire military under a single radio brand is a multi-billion-dollar illusion. Instead, Beecheon allows you to keep 100% of your world-class radio assets and achieve a supreme joint network instantly. See the Omni network in action across multi-domain real-world scenarios. Deliver close air support coordinates in half a second, synchronize wide-area maritime rescues across brand barriers, and enable remote counter-terrorism strike teams to report live via SATCOM. Unbroken connections command victory. Sever the Achilles heel of multi-domain operations today. Deploy the Beecheon multi-channel master hub to establish the fastest, most resilient joint command network in existence.